Hi folks, today I'll be teaching you how to bisect a given angle. Now if you're asked to bisect an angle, the first thing you have to do is you are going to draw the given angle. So yeah, we're going to draw a random angle. So let's draw an angle 45 degree. So to draw an angle 45 degree, all you need to do is you draw a baseline. Then with still that same parallel line, you put your set square on that line, and then you pick a point, and then you draw an angle of 45 degree. So I'll join it to the point now. Now this is an angle of 45 degree. So let's call this angle A, B, C. Now if you're asked to bisect this angle, the first thing you need to do is with your center A and or rather with your center B, the center of this angle, and any convenient radius, draw an arc to cut the two containing sides at D and E. So basically you are going to open a radius and put the compass here and draw an arc to cut the containing sides. So we're going to draw an arc to cut the containing sides. So let's call this, let me take in that. Let's call this D, and let's call this D, and let's call this E. Now these are D and E. Now the next step for you to do is you are going to open your compass to a larger radius, and then with your original centers, D and E, you are going to, with the same radius, you are going to cut and make them intersect. So let's cut from here to here. Cut the first one, then next you cut again, go to the line D, then you cut. So now I've cut the two lines. Now you can see that they intersect at this point. Let's call this point F. So you now draw a line, a straight line through from B through F. So from B, which is the center of the angle, or the point of the angle, through F. So I'm going to draw a straight line. And bravo, that is how to bisect an angle. So thank you for watching.